Hey everybody, we're over here at Market Square Park in downtown Houston, about to head over to Allen's Landing via the Buffalo Bayou Trail. Let's go. I recently made a video of where I came up to Market Square Park because it was getting too dark basically and too spooky down there on the bayou. But tonight we're going to be making that walk. Then I'm going from the Allen Landing Park over to Sabine Street Bridge. Heading down this way. Oh, is that a crane over there? Flapping around. Like a purse up there. Maybe somebody threw it over the side when they snatched it from somebody else. You never know. This is actually a very quick walk, less than 10 minutes. And then on the way back, I'm going to try to do the north side of the trail. It's on the correct side for the Sabine Street Bridge Park and whatnot up there. That's pretty spooky. But it's also not as bad, spooky-wise, that is, on the other side because it has more natural light later for some reason. Stuff floating in the bayou down there, including maybe 3 people kayaking. And looks like it is 3, although it's only 2 kayaks. Interesting time to be kayaking on the Buffalo Bayou right now, though. There's the University of Houston downtown. Conejo Malo, 3 clubs, 1 downtown. Not sure what that is, but looks interesting. Really nice skyline view over here. Looks like a boat dock here. Oh, I think that was the boat dock. Candy castor oil. But this stuff is all from back in the day, probably in the 1800s. This is some old stuff. And there's an e-biker, just an e-biking away. I mean, hauling. So I'm gonna get out of the way here. It just keeps on going down. There is the Main Street Red Line train going there. Just a training away. Now you know this thing is old right here. The town of Houston. Houston hasn't been a town since who knows when. The town of Houston, situated at the head of navigation on the west bank of Buffalo Bayou, is now for the first time brought to public notice because until now, the proprietors were not ready to offer it to the public with the advantage of capital and investment. And you can read the rest of it there if you like. Looks like things that were missing. Excerpt from Telegraph and Texas Register, August 30, 1836. And if you remember 1836, that's when the Alamo happened. Quite the coincidence, huh? And here is the Allen's Landing Park marker. It's open 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Other areas that are not lit, dawn to dusk. There's got to be some way to get to the other side there, which I will find out. Thanks so much for joining me for this walk. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.